Introducing the Zanko S Pen, the must-have product of 2019. Best accessory ever made for a smartphone. Amazing and incredible product. So easy to use. Compact and light. Totally new innovation. Forget about paper notes and scribbles which do not align themselves. Pull your document on an iPad or tablet and customize your highlights with the stylus pen function on Zanko S Pen. Organizing your thoughts has never been easier before. The Zanko S Pen is also your smartphone de facto. Insert a SIM card and start making and receiving calls from your S Pen. Or simply pair it via Bluetooth with your smartphone. You can then use it as a phone even without a SIM. Next up, present your big ideas in class or at your board meeting with a laser pen in hand. Use the remote capture function to take pictures with the S Pen via your smartphone. Record any important feedback and revisit them for evaluation. On the weekend, break a sweat at the gym with your Zanko S Pen connected to your Bluetooth-enabling devices, or attach it to your bike and go for a ride in the wild. Put the S Pen on video mode to do the scenery justice. Adjust its angle to capture a panorama view of the beautiful places, people, and gifts of nature. Enjoy your favorite tunes along the way. Take snapshots of the places you have explored and share them with your loved ones on your big computer screen back home. Want the best surprise for your birthday and April Fools? Zanko S Pen's got you covered with this voice changer with 13 voice options on the list. Put on a rapper or robotic voice to give your best friends a call. The Zanko S Pen redefines compactness. It is your one-stop personal assistant. Equipped with a microphone, a voice recorder, a speaker, a 3.5 headset, a laser and stylus pen, a micro 5-pin USB, a nano SIM and micro SD, Bluetooth 3.0 connection. It is your one-stop pocket-size office assistant. Your must-have product for 2019. Back this campaign now and be the first to own the intelligent and compact device. Zanko S Pen. Bring less, achieve more.
Smart technology shouldn't stop at the garage. Complete your connected home with the B550, so you're always in control of your family's busiest hub. Keep track of activity in and out of the garage, even while you're away, with built-in Wi-Fi and the industry-leading MyQ app. A tap is all it takes to close the garage door from anywhere, and an instant alert reassures you that it's actually closed. For peace and quiet, the extra strong belt drive system is virtually silent and vibration-free. Day after day, you can count on reliable performance with medium lift power. And you'll be able to quickly come and go with Tri-Band Technology's superior remote range. To give your family more ways to access the garage, the B550 comes with convenient accessories right in the box. With our simple how-to videos, it's easy to get everything up and running in no time. For all the smarts and the quiet you need, choose the B550 for easy garage access anytime, anywhere.
Are you looking for the right tools to make great barbecue with less effort and more style? Let's start you with no mess, no rest, and no wet gloves, because you can wash them like you're washing your hands. The best thing about silicone gloves is that they are waterproof and stain-proof, so that allows you to use them and then wash them like you were washing your hands and back to work again. The mess just quickly washes off and the gloves take no downtime for drying. Waterproof also means you are protected from those hot sauces seeping through to your fingers. Waterproof, stain-proof, and odor-proof. Yes, odor-proof. With these gloves, you won't ever have to worry about having smelly hands again. It has happened so many times when the chef gets too exhausted prepping, and when it's time to eat, you need to take a break. Not anymore. These meat shredder claws are the bomb. They make child play of shredding. They are designed to be light and strong, so you channel only the light effort needed for shredding. You will do it in record time and in style. Pick up hot meat like a bear with no care. Lift and move your meat in style with these claws. They actually work better than gloves as they are able to secure the meat better and leave more room between your fingers and the hot food. Have you ever hosted a barbecue party and had your guests pull out unwanted bristles from their mouths? Our baster allows you to do your job professionally without leaving those embarrassing and irritating bristles on your food. Unlike the traditional ones, the silicone and plastic handle make them very easy to clean. Go ahead and host that party, worry-free. Why work harder when you can work smarter? Add this formidable asset to your arsenal of barbecue or smoking tools to achieve more while spending less effort and time. They are functionally matched to do their own special role in your smoking or barbecue repertoire. This bright orange and black set is exciting to behold, great to use, and easy to clean. Get one for yourself, and don't forget your best friend. Brought to you by Grace Kitchenware. We keep our consumers' best interest at heart in every way we can.